Another mild day ahead with more cloud and rain, and the outlook remains unsettled. I'll have all the details of that and more coming up. Good morning, Britain.
Wednesday, 5th of November.
Oh, mild. Actually, we had some of our record warmest November mornings yesterday morning, and yet again this morning it's like 30. So if you are heading to fireworks displays tonight, actually we saw in Brazil, lots of people have drone displays now, rather than having these absolutely spectacular. But if you are heading out for bonfire night, you will not need to wrap up because, yet again, it is an exceptionally mild night. So let's take a look at what is happening if you are heading out and about this evening for fireworks. It's set to be wet in the north and west. Everywhere else is largely dry, but there's an awful lot of cloud around, and that's what keeps it so mild. So this is our weather sequence through this evening. A few showers for West Wales, Northern Ireland and South West Scotland, but it's the northwest of Scotland that'll be wettest. But for everyone else, it is looking fine and dry if you are heading to any displays. And it's worth pointing out tonight we have a supermoon. It's our second supermoon of 3 in a row this year. It's our largest and brightest one because the moon is slightly closer to Earth than normal, and it's called the beaver moon. Every moon is named after something happening in nature, and this month is when beavers are particularly active, looking for food and building their dams. So look out for that while you're looking at fireworks too. Good morning to you. Yet again, it is a mild start to our day thanks to very cloudy skies and air moving up from the southwest. So this mild origin keeps it very cloudy with yet again spells of rain moving through. So this is how it looks first thing this morning. More heavy rain through western areas and another warning in force. And this was the scene in Cumbria through western areas with more heavy rainfall, the risk of some localised flooding. Thankfully, the heavy rain this morning short-lived in Cumbria. It moves its way northwards and then turns drier. England and Wales drier and actually brighter. The return of some sunny spells by this afternoon. Scotland and Northern Ireland staying fairly cloudy with outbreaks of rain, but look at these temperatures. 14 to 15 degrees in the north, 16 or 17 in the south. That is way above average for the time of year. Now, this evening, this is how it's looking if you were heading out for some fireworks displays. Clearest conditions and driest weather for England and Wales, Scotland and Northern Ireland, that bit cloudier with rain. And tonight, the chance of seeing a supermoon, and this one is the beaver moon. Now, how do things pan out as we head through the next 7 days? Well, we keep with it being very mild. We keep with this Atlantic feed of air, bringing cloudy skies, but a lot of rain as well, particularly across the north. So, for northern areas, Scotland, Northern Ireland, Northern England, this is where temperatures should be, and we are way above average. We're in November. These are more typical for September's temperatures. Percentage chance of rainfall, well, it's relatively high, not a washout, but just bands of rain or showers moving through most days. Today, heaviest across western areas, hit and miss showers and rain as we head through the weekend and into next week. Fortunes further south for England and Wales as we head through the next 7 days. Again, looking at our temperatures compared to where they should be, and they are way above average by day and no nighttime frosts. The next few days, rainfall still continues to move in from the Atlantic, but from the weekend onwards, signs that it turns drier and brighter.